10/11, the day now carved into Delhi's painful permanent memory. A day when the system failed and the capital paid the price. We bring you the most chilling security lapse in recent Indian history, and it unfolded right in the beating heart of the national capital. India today has tracked Bomber Umar's full path of destruction, and what you are about to see is nothing short of terrifying. On October 29th and 30th, the explosive-laden I-20 sat parked, untouched, unbothered at Al Falah University in Faridabad. On October 30th, Umar fled with that same car. And then came the fateful, unforgivable day, November 10, when the blast ripped through Delhi. A suspected car bomber driving freely through Delhi's most protected VVIP corridors, completely unchecked. Captured on CCTV across 43 ultra-secure zones, this horrifying journey can be called the Delhi Terror Cruise. On November 10, at around 8 am, the I-20 entered Delhi via Badarpur and then moved through multiple VVIP zones freely and fearlessly. From India Gate to Akbar Road to Rail Bhavan and Connaught Place.
At 8:03 am, the I-20 car is again seen in the national capital entering from the Badarpur border. Then it is seen at the Ashram Chowk on November 10 itself, after which it is also seen on the DND. At 9:22 am, it is again seen in the national capital near India Gate, and after which it is seen near Akbar Road. Now remember, these are the VVIP areas of the national capital. This is literally the heart of the national capital where this car was seen on November 10, which is also the day the blast happened.
This car cruised through areas where even a momentary halt can trigger immediate alerts. But that day, nothing. No stop, no alert, no action. At 6:50 pm, it exploded near Red Fort. Now, it must be noted that on October 28th, Umar's handler Muzammil was already in custody, through which the cops got to know about Umar Nabi. The agencies had a name, a face, and a link. Yet, the I-20 stayed parked at Al Falah University for days, unflagged, untraced, and unchecked. A simple scan of campus CCTV could have shattered the plot before it even began. But it wasn't done. And the bomber kept moving. VVIP Delhi was in the direct crosshairs of terror, and the system didn't even blink. This wasn't just a lapse. This was an open door left waiting for disaster.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.